Welcome guys, our Target Up Study channel. In this video, we will be cover top most 20 MCQ related for OFC optical fiber cables in advanced communication. First question: fiber optic cables carry dash dash rather than electrical signals. Option A sound, option B light, option C both and B, and option D none of this. Fiber optic cables carry on light. Okay, the correct option is B. Next question: fiber optic cables are made of dash dash or dash dash. Option A glass and plastic. The option A is correct, glass and plastic. The fiber optic cables are made of glass and plastic. Okay, correct option is A. Next question: the operation of fiber optic cables is based on the principle of option A refraction, option B dispersion, option C absorption, option D reflection. The operation of fiber optic cables is based on the reflection. Option D is correct. When the ray of light approaches a smooth polished surface such as mirror and the light ray bounces back, it is called the reflection of light in incident ray and reflected rays. The normal angle. The correct option is D. The operation of fiber optic cables is based on the principle of reflection. Next question: permanent bound in optical fiber is option A joinder, option B binder, option C splicing, option D connector. Okay, the permanent bound in optical fiber is splicing. In this diagram, the electrode to connect the fiber optic to fiber optic cables. Okay, in OFC, a permanent bound, usually within cable, is referred to as a splice, whereas a demountable joint at the end of the cable is known as connector. The option C is correct. Next question: the most sensitive and fastest light detector is dash dash. Which light detector to use in OFC communication the most sensitive? The option A is photodiode, B pin diode, option C avalanche photodiode, and option D none of these. Okay, the correct option is C avalanche photodiode. In avalanche photodiode, APD is highly sensitive semiconductor photodiode that exploits the photoelectric effect to convert light into electricity. The correct option is C. Okay. Next question: dash type fiber has the problem of model dispersion. Option A step index, option B graded index, option C both A and B, and option none of these. The correct option is C both A and B. Step index and graded index fiber has the problem of model dispersion. What is the model dispersion? The model dispersion is a distortion mechanism occurring in multimode fibers and other waveguides, in which the signal is spread in which the signal is spread in time because the propagation velocity of the optical signals is not the same for all modes. Okay, the distortion mechanism is called the model dispersion, is occurring in step index and graded index. The correct option is C. Next question: dash dash is the best source of light for fiber optic communication. Okay, option A bulb, option B LED light emitting diode, option C ILD, and option D LCD liquid crystal display. The correct option is C, ILD, injection laser diode. Okay. A semiconductor device that emits high powered coherent light when stimulated by electrical current, used in transmitters for single mode fiber links. ILD stands for injection laser diode, is the best source of light for OFC communication. Why to use this ILD? The wavelength of ILD, the 810 to 1064 nanometer, is a very high wavelength of ILD, injection laser diode. Go to the next question. Refractive index of core is dash dash that of clad. Option A, less than. Option B, equal to. Option C, greater than. And option D, double. The correct option is C, greater than. The refractive index of the core, here to in figure, N1 is always greater than the index of the cladding N2. Here to N1 is greater than, N1 is a core and cladding is a N2. N1 is always greater than to N2 here. Okay. The refractive index of core is always greater than to the clad. The correct option is C. Next question. Dash dash fiber optic cables has minimum model dispersion. Option A, single mode step index. Option B, multi-mode step index. Option C, multi-mode graded index. Option D, none of these. The correct option is A, single mode step index. Okay, to occur minimum model dispersion. The correct option is A. What is the model dispersion? Is a mechanical disturbance. Okay, the correct option is A. Single mode fiber, there will be no model dispersion since there is only one mode and the light enters along the fiber axis without bouncing off the cladding boundary. This is the reason to minimum model dispersion in single mode step index. The correct option is A. 10 number question. Which of the fiber optic cables is the most widely used? Okay. Option A, single mode step index. Option B, multi mode step index. Option C, single mode graded index. Option D, multi mode graded index. This question answer you write in comment box. This is the homework question. Okay. Which of the fiber optic cables is mostly used in OFC communication? The correct answer write in comment box. This question is your homework question. Go to the next question. The total internal reflection takes place if light ray tracks the interface at the angle dash dash critical angle. Less than. Option B, greater than. Option C, equal to. And option D, none of these. The correct option is B, greater than. The total internal reflection takes place if light ray tracks the interface at an angle of greater than or an critical angle. Here shown the picture, the critical angle is greater than to reflect an incident light, the angle is more than. Okay, go to the next question. Which of the following major benefit of OFC? Option A, excellent data security. Option B, no electrical safety problem. Option C, immunity from interference. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is D, all of the above. Go to the next question. Multimode step index fiber has dash dash. The correct option, here two options, large core diameter and large numerical aperture. Option B, large core diameter and small numerical aperture. Option C, small core diameter and large numerical aperture. Option D, small core diameter and small numerical aperture. The correct option is A, multimode step index fiber has always large core diameter and large numerical aperture. Okay, shown in the figure. Multimode step index fiber has large core diameter and large numerical aperture. These parameters provides efficient coupling to inherent light sources. The correct option is A. Go to the next question. Question number 14. Multimode step index fiber have bandwidth of dash dash. Okay. The correct option is B. 6 to 50 megahertz per kilometer. This is the multimode step index fiber bandwidth, 6 to 50 megahertz. Next question. Here to explanation of this question. A multimode step index fiber has a core diameter range of 100 to 300 micrometer. This is the facility efficient coupling to inherent line source. Okay. The correct option is B. 15. Multimode graded index fiber are manufactured from materials with dash dash. Option A, lower purity. Option B, higher purity than multimode step index fibers. Option C, no impurity. Option D, impurity as same as multimode step index fiber. The correct option is B, always B, higher purity than multimode step index fibers. Multimode graded index fiber have higher purity than multimode step index fiber to reduce fiber losses. Thus, fiber have more impurity. The correct option is B. Next question. Multimode step index fiber has a large core diameter of range is dash dash. Option A, 100 to 300 micrometer. Option B, 100 to 300 nanometer. Option C, 200 to 500 micrometer. Option D, 200 to 500 nanometer. The correct option is A. The multimode step index fiber has a large core diameter of range of 100 to 300 micrometer. This is the very important question. Okay. Next, in single mode fibers, which is the most beneficial index profile? Option A, step index. Option B, graded index. Option C, step and graded index. Option D, coaxial cable. In single mode fibers, which is the most beneficial index profile? Is a graded index. Is a very important. Okay. In single mode fibers, graded index profile is more beneficial as compared to the step index. Because why? Because graded index profile provide dispersion modified single mode fibers. The correct option is B. Next question. Single mode fibers allow single mode propagation. The cladding diameter must be at least, option A, twice the core diameter. Option B, thrice the core diameter. Option C, 5 times the core diameter. And option D, 10 times of the core diameter. In single mode fibers allow single mode propagation. The cladding diameter is always must be 10 times of the core diameter. The correct option is D. The cladding diameter is a single mode fiber must be the 10 times the core diameter. Large ratio contribute to accurate propagation of light. This dimension ratio must be there so as to avoid losses from the vanishing fields. The correct option is D. Next question. Standard single mode fiber SSMF, standard single mode fiber SSMF are utilized mainly for operation in option A, C band, option B, L band, option C, O band, option D, C and L band. The correct option is O band. The standard single mode fiber SSML are utilized mainly in O band. Okay, because why? Because it show high dispersion in the range of 16 to 20 per nanometers in the C band and L bands. The correct option is C. Next question. Dash dash can induce a considerable amount of attenuation in optical fibers. Option A, microbending. Option B, dispersion. Option C, diffusion of hydrogen. Option D, radiation exposure. Okay, the correct option is D. Please like and subscribe and press bell icon for further more information of upcoming new videos.